sapo não lava o pé, não lava porque não quer. Atirei o pau no gato totô, mas o gato totô não morreu. Se essa rua fosse minha.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Every time technology takes a leap, the artistic community goes into a panic. When the electric guitar became popular, people said it would kill the purity of acoustic music. In the 80s, when electronic drums appeared, there were actual protests by drummers saying that machines would steal everyone's jobs. But looking back, these tools didn't replace musicians. They created rock and roll, synth pop, hip hop, that is, they created new genres, and the question that won't go away is back in full force. Has the end of the line for creators finally arrived? Well, I don't think so. For a long time, software tried to automate this, but the result was always robotic. To answer if artificial intelligence will replace musicians, I decided to test where this technology is today, and I used Mureka AI. Mureka is not just a random audio generator, but what caught my attention the most is that it behaves like a co-producer, and not as a musical substitute. So let's go. I want to show you all of this working in practice. To start, just click here to create your music. Create music. Here, there are some possibilities. Easy mode, custom mode, and soundtrack. Let's start here with easy mode. In other words, easy mode. All you need to do in this mode is type your prompt. I prefer to use more complex prompts with more instructions for artificial intelligence. In this case here, what do I want to create? I'm going to ask the AI to generate a melancholic R&B song about trying to understand technology, but sung in English. And for that, I'm going to use this command here. Notice that I have here a more complete prompt with all the instructions made by artificial intelligence. So let's go. I'm going to click here and create my song. Look at what it created for me. 2 versions using the most advanced model here, which is V9. So let's listen to the first one.
The haptic feedback stutters under my thumb. A ghost and silicone making me numb. I chase the heat map of a phantom limb while the liquid crystal light begins to dim. The bezel edge is sharp against my palm, a cold mathematical kind of calm. I'm looking for a pulse beneath the glass, shadow to pass. My fingertips are stained with blue light, searching for the friction in the night.
Let's go to version number 2 now.
The haptic feedback stutters under my thumb. A ghost in the silicone making me numb. I trace the heat map of a phantom limb while the liquid crystal light begins to dim. The bezel edge is sharp against my palm, a cold mathematical kind of calm. I'm looking for a pulse beneath the glass, waiting for a human shadow to pass. My fingertips are stained with blue light, searching for the friction in the night, but the texture is too smooth to be real. I've forgotten how the jagged edges feel. There is no breath inside the binary, just a mirrored vault of what I want to see. I am reaching for a hand I cannot hold, lost between the copper and the coal. Is there a soul buried in the sequence, or just a flawless hollow frequency? I'm skin and bone against a wall of light, lonely in the high-tech high.
Impressionante, né? Did you hear that voice? It has breathing, it has energy, it has emotion. Obviously, we're talking about an artificial intelligence. A human being who studies, who takes all their classes, can replicate this. Why? Artificial intelligence gathers this set of sound effects and turns it into music. But what it uses as a basis, that was learned from human beings. This emotion, this voice, this breathing, and this energy, it all has to do with our ability to create. That's why artificial intelligence can't make music on its own, at least for now. Its foundation is human inspiration, and that's what's coolest about it. Let's go to another example now that I want to show you, which has everything to do with this online trend of frogs, cats, and little dogs singing songs. You probably saw at the beginning of the video that I put those children's songs with a whole blues vibe. Check out this version I made of Sapo no Lava Ope.
O sapo não lava o pé, não lava porque não quer. Ele mora lá na lagoa, não lava o pé porque não quer. O mesquichulé, a sapa na lava pá, na lava pá guanacá. A lamara lá na lagana, lava pá guanacá, mas guaxalá. E sempre leve pé, ne leve piquenique.
Pretty cool, right? So, here on Mureka, you can take any song and adapt the style, create your own song. So it's different from other AIs that just guess the next note. Mureka uses a technology called Music OT, or Music Chain of Thought, or Musical Chain of Thought, or something like that. It understands the structure of the music. It knows where to put a catchy chorus, where the bridge is, or how to create an emotional climax. And here on Mureka, besides creating your songs, using artificial intelligence, you also have a complete creation studio, so to access the feature, just click here on Studio. Then, just drag your song over here to the timeline. Look, I added my song. See that it's sped up because I chose this function here. This is great for making samples.
The haptic feedback stutters under my thumb.
Cool, right? If I want to edit any part of my song here, I just come here and select. Here I have the tempo, so one beat and the original. I can change it back to the original if I want. Now I can listen to see how it turned out.
The haptic feedback stutters under my thumb.
I can change the color here to make editing easier. If I want, I can duplicate this part, I can also delete it, and I can select which specific part I want to modify. I can choose drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, vocals, instrumental, and so on, once I've chosen the element here. Next, I go to the Style section and enter my prompt, which is the command for the AI. For the AI to change this specific part of my song, another interesting thing is if I want to do a mix, I just need to drag it here to my timeline as well. So, now I have two songs here so I can do my editing. Another cool feature is the ability to separate the elements of the song here. So, I'm going to change the tempo here from one beat to the original, and then I'll click here to extract the stems. I can choose if I want to detect all or just separate the instrumental from the vocals. I'll separate all, done, it's finished. Here, let's listen to just the bass. Now just the vocals, ghost in the
silicone, making me numb. I trace the heat map of a phantom.
Now just the drums. Right? So just imagine if you work with creative musical creators. We have a complete song here, then you can separate it by instrument, for vocal instruments and, a partir daí, fazer specifications in the elements. So it's already proof that this found that studies that music is not. Most AIs give you a magic button to generate the subject. Maybe a magic music and that's it. Here, I have a sound work and I can separate the tracks, edit specific parts. In other words, I remain in control of my musical creation. Now there's another function here called soundtrack, which is in the music creation section, and it's really cool. Why? I can generate an original soundtrack with the exact mood of my video. Check out how it works. I'm going to upload my video here. I describe my soundtrack here, putting skate vibe, hip hop street, stretch. I'll give it a title here, what skate street stretch, and I'll ask it to create. Done, it's already finished here and brought 2 versions. I can control the volume of the soundtrack here and also the volume of my digital audio if there is any. Digital. Cool, right? And then you can upload your material here and ask the artificial intelligence to create this soundtrack. So, that work of searching for royalty-free soundtracks, you can solve it here inside Mureka, creating an original soundtrack for your video, completely automatically. Another new feature is this one here. Create video. And why is it cool? You will select a song that you created here in Mureka and then choose your character here. If none of these appeal to you, you can upload your own character. Then you'll choose the background and the visual style. If you want, you can describe here what the characteristics of your video will be. It will think for a bit and then give you a result similar to this one here.
I used to know, but the latency is ruined like a space between the memory and your actual face. My forehead to the polished screen, seeking the tactile world.
Really cool, right? Now there's another feature called MurecaCol, which is really cool. Why? Here, the idea is completely different. Because it doesn't just stay on one page generating a finished song. It works together with Ableton, and I can simply write what I want. Like creating a track, adding instruments, adjusting the BPM, or applying effects. And Mureka executes this directly in the project. For example, I can ask it to create a MIDI track, add a synth lead, adjust the BPM, and add reverb and an equalizer to the vocals. Meanwhile, everything in Ableton gets organized automatically. Then I can generate a complete song, import it into the project, and separate everything into stems. Drums, bass, piano, synth, vocals, and other elements. And that's exactly the main point. I don't just get a finished audio file. I get an editable project inside Ableton, which I can mute, adjust, process, swap parts, and keep producing as usual. In other words, Mureka Company doesn't try to replace the producer. It speeds up that operational part that usually breaks the creative flow. So guys, is AI going to replace musicians? My answer, after using advanced models like Mureka's V9, is no. AI doesn't have stories of heartbreak. It didn't have a childhood. It doesn't have your point of view about the world. What Mureka does is democratize the technical side. He takes your idea, your story, and gets the technical barriers out of the way. You stop being just an instrumentalist and become the art director of your own imagination. The machine only provides the highest quality paints possible. But the one who paints the picture, who decides what moves people and what doesn't, will always be the musician. So, to sum up, the best way to form an opinion about this is by testing it. Mureka is incredibly accessible, whether you're a beginner or someone who already produces and wants new ideas. The link for you to create your account and try the platform for free is here in the description and in the first pinned comment. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Fingertips are stained with blue light, searching for the friction in the night.